Hi, Berkshire Bears. This is Miss Woods, your librarian, and I'm going to show you today how to put a book in our library on hold so you can come pick it up during curbside pickup on Fridays between 8 and 8:30. The first thing you're going to do is in your search bar, you're going to just look for our school homepage. And once you get there, you're going to see a library tab. You're going to click on that library tab. And when you get to the library page, you're going to see Berkshire Library page, and that's going to be hyperlinked. So you're going to click on that link, and then at the top, you have lots of different categories. You're going to click on our library catalog, and then you're going to see an image for Destiny Discover. You're going to click on that image. That's going to take you to our library catalog. From here, once it loads, you're going to want to make sure that you are logged in. If you are not logged in, you're going to need to go ahead and click here and make sure that you've logged in using your NISD credentials. From here, I am in Destiny Discover. I can scroll and look at all of my learning resources that are linked. I can also look at topics. So if I want to find a book that is a scary book, I can click right here on the topics. But if I know a specific title that I'm looking for, I can go right up here to the magnifying glass in blue. I'm going to click on that one. And let's say that I want to look up the book Dog Man. I'm going to type that into my search. And I can search by title, author, or even topic. And then I'm going to hit enter. What's going to happen from here is I'm going to see all of the books that include the title Dog Man. So I'm going to look through all of my options. And as you can see, we already have one of the books and it will show that it's out. So that's not one that I can put on hold. But let's say I find Dog Man, Grime and Punishment. And that's the book that I want to place on hold. I'm going to go down to the box that has the three dots, and I'm going to click on that box, and I'm going to click the word hold. That book has now been placed on hold for me. If I want to check and make sure that it did place a hold, I'm going to go back up to the top where I see my stuff, and I'm going to pull down, and I'm going to see I have 2 holds. This is going to tell me, your librarian, that I need to pull these books from the shelf and have these ready for you on Friday between 8 and 8:30 for curbside pickup. Once I have some books on hold, if I decide, oh, I've already read Dog Man, Fetch 22, I'm going to go back to these 3 dots, and I can always check unhold. That's going to place it back into the Destiny catalog, and it's no longer on hold for me. So now I only have 1 book that's going to be ready for Miss Woods to pull for curbside pickup. Every Friday, starting on September 3rd, I will have books pulled for you. If you will have your holds placed by Thursday at noon, I will pull those and have them ready for you with your name. I'll meet you at the curb so you don't even have to get out of your car, and I'll have your books ready for you to enjoy for the week. Have a great learning day, Bears.